hey guys, welcome in.
Like what I did there? Do ya?
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be an unfinished room tour. There's just a little bit of things that I have to get to finish this, and I'll do an updated one probably later on in the year. We just recently had our whole upstairs done, repainted the rooms, and I completely changed literally everything about my room. So I'm still working on getting decorations, figuring out what I want. But anyways, I hope you all enjoy. Let's get started. Right when you walk in, you're looking straight ahead at my bed where there is a Wally. Wally had a bad fall last night and we took him to the vet. He strained his ACL and so him don't feel good right now. Before you get to my bed, there's this nightstand, and on this nightstand there is a clock that does not work, but I just can't afford a battery right now. This star looking thing. Also, pretty much all my decorations come from At Home in Houston, Texas. Best place in the world if you're looking to rearrange your room. And then there's this pot. It's yellow mustardy color. And then this is a plant that I just put in there. Period. I have a picture of me and Nolan. A couple notes from Nolan. Some dried up flowers. Also from Nolan. But yellow flowers are my favorite, and then they just died and I don't want to get rid of it. We're not going to get into the drawers. That calls for an organization video, which probably needs to come very soon. There's 2 drawers. Now moving on to the bed. This bedspread is from, I have no idea, but I'll put it on the screen right now. It has these little fringy things, very boho vibes. These 2 cream ones are definitely from Target. I remember that. For up here, I've had this vase for I don't even know how long. It came from my old room. These flowers that really don't match, but they're still in there for some reason, are from Shein. Picture frame is from Target with me and my little babes. Those 2 things are from At Home. That Hannah got me a long time ago. This shelf is from IKEA. That little, I don't even know what, is from At Home. The stringy thing with the beads, that is just one piece by itself, and that is from Shein. This basket with the greenery hanging down is from IKEA. The foxwood looking thing is from Shein. This little holder gold and white thing is from Target. The flowers that again do not match are from Shein. Here is one of the places that I'm still working on. I think I'm gonna cross off the A in this whole thing and just put something else there. Don't really know, haven't made up my mind. There's definitely something that's gonna go there. Here we have this little wolf thing that just hangs on the wall. This is a candle holder, fake succulent, cactus. Most random things. It doesn't even go. I don't know why they're there. An A. And another picture of me and babes. Right here is my beautiful window. I have these curtains from Urban Outfitters and they have little tassels on them. It's like a kind of a burnt orange color. I have to find a rack that's gonna go above the trim right there that I like, that can also hang these and hold these. So that is another mission that I'm gonna get done. But once that's done, those are going up, and I think it's gonna add a lot to this room. We got this for my graduation table, and I just think it's so cute. I have to get something to hold it because right now it's obviously fake, but right now it comes like this. I just set it right here for now, but we're working on getting something to hold that. Fun fact, this used to be gray. I painted it. I'm really exposing myself here, but I'm just gonna show y'all. If you were to get close, that is dried paint that I let just sit there. I was too lazy to go in and cut it all out, so love that. And then I just hung some random greenery above it. Cute. Oh, hey guys. Mom found this thing at a craft sale in my hometown. This wooden clock, which also I don't think works. This little basket is not supposed to be hung on the wall, but we did it anyways. Hashtag rebels. We have this little fake succulent. This random thing. This is just the random corner. This was all the leftover decorations that couldn't fit on the wall, so we just shoved it in a box. This is actually a sticker, as you can tell, because it's falling off. I'm very surprised that it's stuck this long, but it says be your own kind of beautiful. I got that from Shein. This, I'm pretty sure, is supposed to hold a candle in it. I didn't. And this is actually a candle that I got from the dollar section at Target. Moving on down. The bedroom set that I got came with the dresser, the bed, and 2 nightstands. But I like my bed against the wall, so I had an extra nightstand. So we decided to put that Voila, right there. From Goodwill, we have this little thingy mabobber. We have a candle that smells very good. We have a pot holder from IKEA and a fake plant from IKEA. I have it stacked on top of 2 random books that I got at Goodwill. This dream, it's supposed to light up. Oh, it does a little bit. Again, don't have money for batteries. Send me money. I'll link my Venmo down below. My closet. We're not gonna open this for the sake of my mom's sanity, but I did want to show you all the doorknobs that come off because my dad won't come and screw them on. They are just these wooden things, super duper duper cute, and they just slide right on there. And then whenever you go to open the closet, I know you're watching this, Dad. Stop slacking. Get up here and do it, please. To the left or right of my closet, don't know which one it is, we have these 3 knobs that we got from at home, and Mom just got these little decorations to hang from them. I'm iffy about this for show, but it's just there. We love greenery, which this shelf is from at home. I really don't know where this plant is from, but I love this. It's fake, but I love it. This car, which is the coolest thing about this room ever. I love this. It's from IKEA as well. Ooh, that's dust on it. Cleaning lady be slacking. Cleaning lady is me. And then also I got these 2 books for this to be placed on. In the corner, I don't really know what to put there, so I just had this big basket that I'd never used from IKEA and an old pillow and some greenery, so I just threw it on there. Definitely not staying there. We're just in the works of getting something that I like to go there. In the top corner above that, it is this hangy plant. I'm almost positive I got the hangy thing at Target, and that plant is fake from Shein or somewhere. Next is my dresser, which I love that. Really, Abigail? Bottle cap? This is one side of it so far. I'll break it down for you. This, oh no, it's dying. Oh, Tristan. I'm gonna have to buy another one. Oh no, it's like really bad. I completely forgot I had to water it. I got this succulent from a guy in my church. His name is Tristan. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. He grows these things and then buys, you can pick whatever pot you want, and he just makes it for you, and it is the cutest thing. I think I have a picture of it when I first got it, whenever it was actually healthy and I did not take care of it. I will put a picture up right here. It was gorgeous. It was just so cute, and it still is cute. It's just a little dead, but you know, we're gonna try to revive it. I don't know if it's salvageable, but we're gonna try. This cute picture of my brother and I, we need to get it updated because Jackson doesn't look like that anymore. He grew up kind of a little bit. This frame, I don't know where it's from, sorry. We have some random things. This is from IKEA. Love it. I love this color blue. Also, I forgot to tell you, on this wall right here, under the hangy plant, there's gonna be something right here. But I don't know what that something is. Then we have a peace sign from Marshalls. Give it up for Marshalls, everybody. Next we have this candle from Urban Outfitters, which is adorbs, and it's in the scent of teakwood, orange clove, oak moss. Just kidding, it doesn't smell good. I just got it for the looks. Mom got me this. She printed out a picture of one of me and Nolan's dates and gave it to me. So I just set that right here.
So I just look at it every morning.
These were on my graduation table. I'm sure I can find somewhere to put them in my room. It's a candle holder from At Home on clearance because I wonder why. So we're gonna get a candle for that. We have this fake succulent from Walmart. Walmart is really stepping up their game. This is the 3rd piece to the set that I showed earlier on in the video above my bed. This little picture frame, I have no idea where I got it, probably Target. And there's a picture of me and my friend Mariah. Before she got married, had a kid, and just left me in the dust. That's us having fun. Rip to Happy Abigail. Then we have my globe. There's not that much to it. Above me is 2 shelves from IKEA. This little hangy thing is from Hobby Lobby. Up here on the shelf, we have an A. This is from Shein, and so are the flowers. On this one, there are 3 fake succulents. And then there's these girly deer antlers that have flowers on them. Oh, and also I have this little white stool. My rug! I forgot my rug. This rug is amore. It's so cute. I love it. It needs to be vacuumed. It's just this black and white rugs. I think I got it from Rugs USA. Something like that. I don't really know. There's a shoe storage under there. That's my chargers plugged in. But we're not going to show under my bed because it's just way too clean and organized that you wouldn't even believe it. So again, I have a few things to go buy and add, and maybe I'll do an updated look. If I go get the things and then it looks just like a brand new room, then I'll do another video on it. But if not, I'll update you on my Instagram. So make sure and go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my pop tag right here. I need coffee. I'm filming this on a Wednesday, and I'm so glad I did it before church, because after church you wouldn't be able to see the floor because of the outfit changes that go on. It would blow your mind. I wanted to show you my new case. It's this light pink case, and this pop socket is with yellow flowers, but it's not just a pop socket. My lips are dry. There's chapstick in it, and it's so cool. Target, you are just on your game. So Target sponsor me, thank you. I hope y'all enjoyed this room tour. I will see y'all next time with another video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below the vibe or the aesthetic of your room, because I want to know. And that is all for this video. Bye everyone.